All right, here I am. It is recording. I tried to do this a minute ago and it was not recording. I feel really silly. Here's my front door. This is the TV stand. And here's my little sofa. It's actually two of these little chairs pushed together. And I have an extra desk, which I'm not using at the moment, but who knows. I just put that little cover on that bed just so it would be like an extra place to sit. Don't mind that. I have to take trash out. This is my little utility closet. And I put a few things on the walls, not a whole lot, because you have to use those contact strips and I don't like those. So here's the table. And then on either side of the kitchen, you've got these shelves. And over here, I just put extras of things. Like that's my extra sheets and pillowcases, extra pantry items, pots and pans, and personal care and laundry stuff at the bottom. My little trash can, and here's the other side. I have this little drawers here. This little area, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. A couple cabinets up here, the stove, and the refrigerator. And yeah, that's not an optical illusion. Like, you can't open the refrigerator all the way. You can't have both of these open at the same time. That's how small this is, which is fine for one person. Sorry about the dishes. I just finished those up. I made use of the lower cabinets, but I am so short that I would need to bring the stool in every single time. So I mean, anything up, if I needed something up high, so anything that I put up there, I'm almost never going to need it. And the same goes for these cabinets. They're so high. I don't know if y'all really can tell that or see that, but they're so high. Here's the other little cabinet. I've got the things I'm most likely to need out. And I just like those canisters. I'm not using them for anything because they're so small. There's my little microwave. And I think for excess pantry items, I'm going to get another bin like that one and just put it on the other side of the microwave here. Next, we're going to go into the bedroom. Okay, this is my dresser. Brianna drew that. She is so talented. It's crazy. And here's this little area, window. And I know I've got a lot of cat figurines, guys. I know. Okay? But if you know me, you know that I'm a cat person. So this box, don't mind that. That's in the floor because I realized, like many people before me, I brought way too much stuff. So I'm going to donate. And here's my little desk. It's all tore up. It was pretty. It's kind of tore up now because I've been studying all day. Here's my little corner. And then here's just a glimpse of my bathroom. There's no storage space in here. It's really tiny. So like, you can see how small it is. It is tiny. So literally two people could probably stand up in there together if they were real friendly. And then I've got the closet. And I see why they tell you, don't bring a lot, because I can imagine the dorm rooms are really little and you would just have one room. But I know I'm going to be here for a while, so there you have it.